My brother found some reishi mushrooms, and I found some turkey tail mushrooms. Let's get them cleaned up. Let's see what we can do with them. After you get them cleaned up and cut up, you get that water to a boil and drop them in there. Then you're gonna cover it. Let it simmer. While we wait, we're gonna put some mimosa flowers down in the cups. Fry a couple of them in butter just to try them out. Tastes like beef jerky. I let them boil for about 30 minutes. Then I cut it off, and it's been sitting for about 20. Now we're about to pour them. Pour it in over these mimosa flowers. And now we wait.
Damn.
Now for the taste. Yeah, it's strong.
Yeah, it's strong. It's bitter. But the bitter is good.
I think I'll call it Gobble Racer Tea. Gobble Racer Tea. It's got a nice flow to it. Gobble Racer Tea. Yeah, we'll go with it.